Hello and welcome to section number 3. This is how you put the Starlinks TV app onto your Google TV device or Google TV or Android TV or Android box, stuff like that. Fire Stick will work. So if you got a Fire Stick, it'll work too. So what we're going to do, we're going to start right now. First, you'll have to sign into your Google account, of course, if it's a Google TV. You're going to have to, even if it's Android, because you're going to have to download from the Google Play Store. The first thing we're going to download, we can just go to Apps, scroll down, and I go to Tools because it's always there. It's the first one right there. It's called Downloader by AFTV News. Downloader by AFTV News. So we're going to download that into our TV or our device. Give that a couple minutes there. There you go. It should be coming up real quick. Doesn't take long to download it. Other downloaders might work, but I do know this one is the best and it gets everything you need. You're going to have to go okay that. You're going to go up here to type in now. We're going to go for the app. So we're going to go HTTPS :// and it's starlinkstv.com, and that is LINKS TV.com. And then you're going to go do another /. And then we're going to do TV app. TV app dot A is in apple, P is in Paul, K is in kite. Excuse me. So that's what you're going to download. I'm going to give you about 20 seconds here. Let you write that down or pause the video if you need to write it down. And then that is what you're going to have to put into your downloader in order to download the app. Okay? All right, so we're going to go ahead and download it. Going to be a couple spots that you're going to have to get permission to download apps. This app, once you get it on your device, one is you're going to have to give permission to downloader, and you're going to give permission to Starlinks TV. So, our stage in our app, the settings will pop up like this. This is going to be your downloader. You want your downloader, you want to go ahead and install it. And of course, it's going to bring you back to another one too. It's going to bring you back to Starlinks TV one, and that sometimes that only does it when you open up the list, like here in this case. So, settings, and just scroll all the way down at the bottom, and you're going to see Starlinks TV. There you go. And then once you do that, push your back button. Now you're at the spot where you need to add your playlist. Now when you add your playlist, you just push the button, and Starlinks over, you just click on Starlinks. Here you're going to use the username and the password that you were given. In this case, I'm using a dummy one because I set that up for the purpose of making these videos here. And it will be erased, so there will not be no dummy after this one. So, okay, so dummy, and then I put dummy 1, 2, 3. So that's what I put in the system in order to show you how it works. Now you want to include your TV channels and you want to include your movies. So do not click on that, go over to next, and then, so it's an error. So let me see what I did wrong here. Give me just a second here. Let me look at what I've done on this system, and it'll take about a second to figure it out. But I did do something wrong. Just not sure what I did wrong. just give me just a second here. I'm almost I almost have it here. Okay, so I don't have it. Okay, so I'll add it real quick. Okay, all right, so we're back to it. It should be able to do it again. So we'll just act like we're just coming back in and downloading the dummy. Okay, we're going to do it again. There we go, it's processing. It'll process for a second. There you go, and then just press done over there when you get all the stuff up and done. And so there you go. So now you're pulling up your TV, and you'll see in your left-hand corner, it'll pull up your TV guide. And you press OK on your remote, and it'll bring up your TV remote. If you press OK again, it'll be big. If you hit your back button one time, it's like this. You'll see all your channels, or you can go left. You can break it down to basic channels, premium channels, which is your movie channels, news channels, sports channels, music channels, and of course your local channels. So wherever you live will be your local channels, not necessarily the local channels that I have on here. But you know, I have some from Kentucky and some from Houston and some. So wherever you live, that's where your local channels will be. Okay, but anything you want to watch, you just go to it, press OK, and then press again, you're good to go. It's a great TV service. So there you go. Now you know how to download the downloader and put the TV app onto the system. Once again, thank you for joining. There will be a video on here. Again, this is for the Android and the Google TV boxes here, y'all, that I just did. Fire Stick, I will do another video. You should see it below this one somewhere, how to install the Fire Stick. Okay, thank you and enjoy the TV.